Okay, so now let's read Peppa Pig book, Peppa Pig and the Nature Walk. It was a warm sunny day and Peppa Pig and George, Mummy Pig and Daddy Pig are going on a nature walk. But first they are having a picnic lunch. Sweet juicy strawberries, says Peppa. Yum! Peppa has brought along her favorite book. Peppa can't wait to see plants, birds, insects, and more. Nature is everywhere, she said. Buzz, buzz, buzz. What's that? asked Daddy Pig. It's a wasp. Daddy Pig does not want to be stung. Wasps are helpful, says Peppa. They won't hurt you if you leave them alone. Buzz, says George. Come back, Daddy Pig. I think the wasp just wants a taste of your cake, says Peppa. Look, says Mummy Pig. The wasp is going back home. Some wasps live together in nests they make from chew-up wood. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Peppa points up at a tree. Oh, she says, baby bird in a nest. A bird brings food to its chick before they learn to fly. Something green is moving along the ground. It's a turtle, says Peppa. It's very slow. George practiced his turtle walk. Turtle walk slowly, but they can swim very fast. Mommy Pig picks a flower. It smells lovely, she says. Peppa sees some daisies. Oh, so pretty, she says. Peppa makes a daisy chain. George makes a lion mane out of dandelions. Row, says George. Daisy's petals close at night and open again in the morning. Peppa sees something tiny and red on a leaf. It's a ladybug, she says. I love spotted ladybug. Ladybug have two sets of wings. A butterfly flutter over and land on flower. Another one land on George's nose. Butterfly taste with their feet. Peppa and George play in the tall grass. Butterflies are beautiful, says Peppa. Let's be butterflies. George points up at the sky. Clouds, says Peppa, and that one looks like candy. Clouds are made of tiny drops of water. George looked down at the ground. There is a long line of ants. Where are they going? asked Peppa. Peppa and George follow the ants. Ants are very strong. They can carry something 50 times their weight. The ant marched up the hill. Everyone marched up the hill. The ant marched down the hill. Everyone marched down the hill. What's on the other side? Daddy Pig, we missed our nature walk, says Peppa. But I think you had a nature walk of your own. That's the end.